Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to the Namon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make no oven banana cake. This is very easy to make, trust me, it's extremely easy and it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in eggs followed by sugar. I stir this together till well combined before adding in milk. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. After the milk, I added in vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. So I'll stir this together till well combined again before sieving in the baking powder and the flour. When done sieving in, please make sure you stir this together till well combined. And basically that's it. You need few ingredients for this recipe, guys. You need few ingredients. The last ingredient that I'll be adding is oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil, maize oil, or even peanut oil as well. So stir this together to well combined. This is the consistency you're looking for. It should be a thick paste like this, something more or less thick paste like this. It should be if you use the same amount. So I kept this aside, and to my saucepan I added in butter. I'll let this get melt and then I'll sprinkle a little bit of sugar in it. So once the butter is melted, I use the brush to brush it. You know, when you bake it in the pan, it's going to pop up because of the baking powder that I added to it. So make sure you grease the pan, or the pan, I make sure everywhere is greased. After, sprinkle sugar in it. Not that much sugar. So sprinkle sugar in it in the pan and then keep that aside as well. So I'm using 4 bananas for this recipe, and it depends on the size of your pan. Mine is around 22 centimeters. So like always, depend on the size of your pan. So bring 1 banana, you're looking for a ripe banana, and then divide it into 2. After, arrange it in the pan as demonstrated in the video. And basically this are all you have to do. It's very simple. If you're looking for an easy simple cake, does it. And trust me, it's delicious. Especially when you're a banana lover, you would definitely love this recipe. Just look at it. So after, pour the cake batter in it on the banana in the saucepan like this. Shake it or tap it to take out any excess air bubbles, and then put it on the fire. Make sure you close it and set your fire on low flame. Let it cook on low flame for about 20 minutes. If not, it will get burned at the back of the banana. Even mine was slightly burned. So please make sure you put it on the lowest part of your gas and then let it cook for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, flip it and then let it cook for like 5 minutes more. And that's it, guys. It's delicious. It was yummy. It was amazing, guys. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, because it's definitely a must try recipe. The cake is moist, it's super soft, and it's delicious. Please share. Don't forget to comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.